If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Excel has built-in help functionality which can greatly reduce the time and cost of technical support. The help functionality is extensive. It contains a searchable database of help files for you to read. To get help in Excel, click the Help tab in the ribbon. Then click the Help button in the Help button group to open a help pane at the right side of the Excel window. To search for help in the Help pane in Excel, click into the large white text field at the top of the Help pane. Then type the terms for which to look for help into this field. Then either press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the term you typed, or click to select from related help terms that appear in the drop-down menu of choices while you are typing your term to select one of those instead. The help files related to the term you typed or selected then appear in a list of links in the Help pane. To open the associated help page within the Help pane, click the desired link. To return to the previous help page in the Help pane, click the Back button, which looks like a left-pointing arrow towards the upper left corner of the Help pane. To show the main page of the Help pane again, click the Home button to the right of the Back button. To close the Help pane when you are finished using it, click the X button in the pane's upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.